Hey guys, what's up? It's Locke here, and I am doing a video on the sounds of my EDC. I was tagged by Megasimon999 and found it kind of interesting, so yeah, here I am doing the video. Simon, thanks for tagging me, man. Yeah, let's start. My EDC for today. Lately I have not, even though there's a lot of crap here, but lately I have not been carrying a lot of stuff, just some basic things. I just don't like weight and a lot of stuff. I don't like to carry a lot of stuff. I hate winter because you have to carry all that weight, all those clothes around, so that gives you an idea. And let's start. iPhone 2G or whatever they call it, first generation. Sounds really that's it. Aluminum. Another phone. I have to carry two phones. I have two numbers. Studying in a different country, so when I come home I have to keep this other number also as well. So this is a cheap Samsung. Really no sounds at all, just yeah. A knife that I always carry, the Recon one. Well, this does have a sound. Well, I have a video on this singing. Yeah, here it is. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Where's the microphone? Let's see. Still didn't put oil on it. The paramilitary too. Hard to do this behind the camera. Just love this knife. What else? Pen for today. This is a Uni whatever Jetstream pen. These are awesome. Great pens. Sound. And most of these things will be replaced soon. This will be replaced by that Light Scribe Echo Smart Pen or whatever they call it. That pen that records. Yeah, it's just crazy. Just Google it up. If you're a student, you need one of those. I just ordered one, so just spent a lot of money on Cyber Monday. And I ordered one of those pens. They were on sale. This will be replaced too. This is a Rayovac AAA flashlight. Just carry it on my keys because I have to walk through some dark roads to go to my apartment, and I always started carrying this every day. Apartment key. This is a little perfume, kind of like a pen. These are testers or whatever. Sounds. That's it. USB flash drive. No sound at all. Wallet. Oh, am I showing anything now? Yep, that's it. Well, let me show you something. if you know what this is, then you realize where I am studying, right? This is the money we use. This is equivalent of $10 US dollars, 7 euros. Wallet. And yesterday I carried the yesterday I wore the sunglasses that I got from Simon, the Revision Hellflies, and today I wore my police sunglasses. These are a little bit kind of fancy, but really love the glass on these, and it's just these are great. But I wore these today because I wanted kind of to compare them, and the revisions are great sunglasses, but no doubt that these are better. But I will be using those mostly for outdoor activities and stuff like that. These are a little bit too fancy for my taste, but I couldn't find any that I like better. And I don't think you can get these in America. I haven't seen a lot of these over there, so I did see some, but they were made in China, and those are knockoffs, guys. Police sunglasses are made in Italy, so if you see China-made police sunglasses, don't buy them. Sounds of these. Yeah, that is it. So I think that's it, right? So Simon, thanks for tagging me. I hope this video wasn't too boring for you guys. I'm about to record a review of the Cold Steel Recon 1. I don't know if I will post it or not, because if it takes me like 10 tries or something, I will just leave for another time. So thanks for watching, guys. I have to tag I think 2 people, I don't know, but if you're watching this and you feel like you wanna make a video, just shoot me a PM and I will put your name in the description, or I will annotate it, and you can consider yourself tagged. But there's 2 people in particular that I would like to see do a video on this. John from J Davies 882 channel. I really doubted that he will do a video response, but yeah, I would like to see you do the video, man. I know he will probably watch this video. He's one of the few people who watch all my videos, so thanks for that. So, and if you feel like you want to do a video, go ahead. And the other person is Nicholas or Nico from the Mediocre Pirate channel, and I'd really like to see him do a video on this too. So that's about it. Take care, guys. Peace.